Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today is Saturday and usually I do product reviews, but this time it will be a little bit different. This upcoming Sunday, my son Victor is gonna turn 10 years old, you guys. Time flies so fast. We're not going to be celebrating his birthday, but I still want him to feel special on his birthday. So I am making a balloon garland for him. It's going to be soccer themed balloon garland, and I hope you will enjoy this video. I will link and list everything in the description under the video. And yeah, you guys, without any further ado, let's go. I have two helpers over here, Nicole and Victor. They're gonna be helping me create this balloon garland for Victor's
birthday.
Yeah, for Victor's birthday. Victor, are you excited?
Yeah.
Since we're not celebrating, but we planned a few things. So what are we doing?
We're gonna do fireworks.
Yeah, you're so excited about that.
And there's gonna be a cake.
And the cake, yes. Here is what I decided to use in today's balloon garland. I have a variety of different things over here. I have a whole bunch of orbs balloons in different sizes. Then I have silver confetti balloons, soccer balloons, foiled in latex in different sizes. Then I have number 10 foiled balloons and a variety of sizes of black balloons, 12, 18, and 24. Everything else I will be using on top of this. I'll let you know throughout the video. One more color of balloons that I totally forgot to mention. I will be using white Qualitix 11-inch balloons. I got them from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. You can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. This is an affiliate code and it's totally up to you if you want to use this code or not. This code is valid only for your first purchase and if you're a new customer to Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. So here is what I am planning to do. Taking two balloons and blowing them into different sizes. As soon as I'm done blowing my balloons, I am pressing my balloons against the floor to give my balloons
more rounder shape.
That's it. And tying these two balloons together to create a
Cluster?
pair. Clusters will be later. You guys, this is so much fun. I guess they heard me a million times filming a balloon garland tutorial that they learned everything. I will be leaving these soccer balloons aside. I will fill in spaces with them a little bit later, or I will add them. We'll see how it's gonna go. I will leave my confetti balloons aside and I will fill in spaces with them later for sure. I will leave my 24-inch balloons aside as well, and I will add them a little bit later. You guys, before I'll deal with the rest of the balloons, I really want to see how these soccer balloons will look like. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. They look cool? So they look pretty cool. They do look pretty cool. They do stink a little bit, but it's not that bad. I've smelled worse balloons. Woo! Decided to stop blowing my balloons and make clusters. If anything, I can always blow more balloons and add more clusters into my balloon garland. So here is what I'm doing. I am taking two different sizes, a pair of balloons, and intertwining them together to create a cluster of 4 like this. Then I am taking another pair of balloons and intertwining that pair with my cluster to create a cluster like this. So keep on mixing, keep on intertwining, keep on clustering. Let's go. I will cluster 4 pairs of balloons instead of 3, just to see whatever works. So I am ready to construct my balloon garland. I am using 260s of balloons. You guys, I strongly dislike using colorful 260s balloons to construct any types of balloon garlands because I don't like to see my 260s or anything like that or a string when I'm building my balloon garland later on, you know. So I'm just going with whatever I have today. That's the only 260s I have. I need to restack my shelves with clear 260s. But anyways, I am taking my 260s and tying them together to create a rope. I am not tying a lot of balloons right away because I don't want to tangle them while building my balloon garland. It's definitely possible. You can start with 3 and later on just add more, tie more rope on your existing rope. So I'm taking my made up rope and tying to my first pair. Taking my second cluster of balloons, putting right on top where I think it needs to go, applying a little bit of pressure, not too much, just enough. Taking my balloon rope and wrapping around newly placed cluster, around older balloons, and wrapping from different sides to completely secure my balloons together. That's basically all you need to do. Keep adding clusters on the side, you know, like going up top, whatever you think you need to put your next cluster, and secure, wrap here and there, and that's it. And you'll end up having one pretty beautiful balloon garland. Garland is on my backdrop. It's looking good. I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands in the description under this video. Go ahead and check it out. In that video, I show how I hang all of my garlands using command hooks, or how I hang garlands on my backdrop with fabric. I do answer a whole bunch of other questions about balloon garlands, and go check that video out. It will be helpful. Now I have these extra clusters of balloons. So here is what I want to try new. I've seen so many people do that, so I am trying this today. I am taking 260s of balloon. I am tying one end to one of my clusters and other end, second end, to my second cluster, leaving this middle empty. I have this, so let me show you how I will fill in spaces with this on my balloon garland. Taking my 2 clusters, stretching them, placing my first cluster where I think it needs to go. I think this is a great spot for this cluster. Putting my 260s between my balloons, interlining them around, and taking my second cluster to the place where I want it to be. So I think it looks pretty good over here. I am pretty happy. And yeah, that's a new way for me to fill in spaces on my balloon garland. This 260 balloon fill in spaces technique reminds me a lot about my rubber bands. So very close, but very different. Stop inflating my soccer latex balloons. I thought they would look a little bit different, better. They're cute though. Anyways, I want to inflate some of soccer foiled balls just to see how many of them I want to add into my garland. To inflate them, I am using my hand pump because all of the self-sealing foiled balloons, orbs balloons, they have this plasticky insert in them. If you're going to be using warm electric balloon pump, you have a chance that you can melt this plasticky insert and your balloons basically will be ruined. So that's why I'm always using hand pump. Orbs balloons are beautiful. Here's a tip how you need to inflate your orbs balloons. So you need to inflate them until you won't see any wrinkles on the seams of your balloon. It's pretty round, pretty nice, barely any wrinkles. I'm happy. Now I am am done inflating my orbs balloons and foiled balloons and soccer latex balloons. I can always inflate more if I need to. We'll see as I go. I had 3 orbs balloons as soccer balls and one of them deflated on me. You guys, it's literally pointless to add any more air because if orbs balloon deflates on you once, it will deflate on you again. So I deflated that balloon and put it into trash right away because it's pointless to salvage. I probably broke the seal because I inflated one of the orbs balloons with the help of my electric balloon pump, and that might have messed up with the seal, or it just had a hole. I don't know. At this point, I have no idea. So now, you guys, I'm gonna show you what I do with my confetti balloons. Taking my own hands and starting to rub on my balloon all over. This way I am creating static inside of my balloon and confettis will start to stick to the walls of my balloon. Give it a shake if you need to. Rub some more. Here you have perfect confetti balloon. That's what I do with my confettis and it works pretty good. I used to use a small towel or paper towel to static my confettis, but those two things would leave those white streaks, not white streaks, but white marks on my balloon, and I didn't like that. So I figured hands, they're just the best way to go and static your confettis in your confetti balloons. Just my observation. Time to fill in spaces with our pretty balloons, as I like to call them. I will be using glue dashes from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. Like usual, they are linked in the description under the video. Glue dashes, basically the same thing as glue dots, but glue dashes are so much better. Believe me, I've tried so many glue dots. These are the best. Let's go. I feel like I am done with my balloon garland, but I thought I'd be okay without 5-inch balloons. I was wrong. I need my 5-inch balloons. I want them because they are great fillers whenever you can't fit a bigger size balloon. You know what I mean? Like here and there, it will give your balloon garland such an uplift. So I am inflating just a few, not a lot, but just enough to fill in spaces here and there because I need it. And I will be inflating them individually. I'm done. What do you think?
It's good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
And here's what I have for you guys today. This is my take on this balloon garland for Victor. I am so happy with the final result, and the most important part, I'm happy that Victor's happy with the final balloon garland. That's the most important part. I really didn't want to go for that typical soccer balloon garland color palette, if you will, because if you research, you see green, black, and white, and I wanted to use very classic colors that will be appropriate for any age, and I think these 3 colors work awesome together. I really love the quality of white balloons. They are from Qualitix and I have no complaints about them. White balloons with black spots. You guys, I thought they would look a little bit better, and I thought these black spots would be a little bit bigger, like an actual soccer ball, but I think I'm happy with this than having this again, like this pattern. So I'm okay with that, but the quality could have been a little bit better. They are way too soft. Black 12-inch balloons, you guys. I'm not a big fan of them as well. They're okay, they will work, but they could be better. 18 and 24 black inch balloons. They are fabulous. I recommend them for sure. I bought them from Amazon. These foiled balloons, they are great as well. None of them deflated on me or popped while I was blowing them. Orbs balloons, one deflated, probably my mistake because I used a warm electric balloon pump, and you know, if you use a warm electric balloon pump, you can melt that insert and balloons will start deflating, and basically you're done with that balloon. So I still have two, one over here and one over there, that I inflated with hand pump, and they're still alive and doing great. These silver confetti balloons, they are good quality as well. They are pretty clear, and I didn't have any problems staticking my confettis to the walls of these balloons. Sometimes confetti balloons can be very stubborn, and it's just basically impossible to static confettis to the wall. No matter how much you rub on the balloon, nothing happens. So these are great. These orbs balloons, you guys, these orbs silver balloons, I didn't want to add a lot of them because I had my 10 in silver, and I didn't want to take away that spotlight from 10, but it's just my opinion. I don't know, maybe this whole thing would have looked even better with more orbs balloons, but I wanted to stop at this. Anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. By the way, this whole thing was built with 260s balloons and lots of glue dashes. I will link everything in the description under the video. Go check it out if you're interested in anything, and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video. This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and inspiring. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comments section below, and I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos, and I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!